Hey there, welcome back to Adam Academy. I'm Arifa. Let's continue set 2 questions here. I've already done 1 to 24 questions. Now this is 25th question here. Find the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is 16. As it is a term, we are going to write A3 equals to 16. If we have sum of 3 terms, so S3 we can write. But we don't have the word sum here. Directly there's a term, so let me go with A3 equals to 16. And its 7th term, this is 7th term, exceeds, X means it is increasing, the 5th term by 12. Okay, exceeds 5th term by 12. This is the way you need to write here. Exceeds means it increases. Now here A3 can be written as A plus 2D equals to 16. Let me write this as equation 1. A7 is nothing but A plus 60 equals to A5 is A plus 4D plus 12. AA will get cancelled on either sides. We have got here 60 equals to 4D plus 12. Let me take this 4D to the left side. 60 minus 4D equals to 12. Because we need to arrange like terms to one side and the constant to the other side. Now 60 minus 4D will be 2D equals to 12. So D equals to 12 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. D equals to 6. So we got the value of D equals to 6. Let us substitute D value in equation 1. So here equation 1 is A plus 2D equals to 16. A value we don't know. A plus 2 into D value is 6 equals to 16. A plus 2 6 are 12 equals to 16. A equals to, after equals to we have got 16 minus 12. A equals to 4. We got the values of A and D. Let me come back to the question. We need to find AP. AP is the series of numbers. AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, okay, and so on. Here A value is 4, okay, 4 plus D value is 6. A value is 4 plus 2 into D value is 6, comma. This is 4, comma, 6 plus 4 is 10, comma. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. This is an AP, students. Now let us solve next question. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. We have got the polynomial here is x square plus 7x plus 10. We need to find out the zeros. Zeros means we need to find out the values of x here, and later we have to verify the relationship between the zeros as well as the coefficient, students. Now here let me multiply first and last term. I am going to get 10x square. The factors of 10 are 5 2s are 10 and x will split on both the sides. First sign is plus. To get 7, I need to add these two numbers. When I want to add, I am going to repeat the same sign. So this is x square plus 5x plus 2x. You write these both in the middle because middle term splitting we have done, plus 10. In these two and in these two, x is common. X cancel, one more x is left over. X cancels, 5 is left over. Take this plus sign. In these two, 2 and 10 goes in 2 table. 2 cancels, x is left over. Plus into plus is plus. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. Now in these two, we can see that bracket is common. Leftover terms are x plus 2. Okay. So this will become x equals to, if it is plus 5, it becomes minus 5. Here x equals to plus 2 becomes minus 2. Okay. So let me say this alpha equals to minus 5 and beta equals to -2, right? Now we need to verify the relationship between the zeros as well as the coefficients. We know the value of a, that is value of a is 1, b equals to 7 we know, and c equals to 10, which is plus 10. Okay, now sum is alpha plus beta. I can say sum is alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a. Okay, here alpha is -5, so -2 is a beta value equals to minus b value is 7 upon a value is 1. Same sign, let us add with the same sign again, -7. Now product is alpha beta equals to c by a. Alpha is -5, beta is -2 equals to c value is 10 and a value is 1. Minus into minus is plus, 5 2s are 10 equals to 10. That means here the sum and product are verified. I hope the relations, see, you can see both the relations are same using the zeros as well as the coefficients. I got both are equal, here also both are equal. Now we have got next question, the length of the minute hand of the clock. So let us say the minute hand is 14 centimeter. Okay, this is a clock. So the length of the minute hand is 14 centimeter. I can say R equals to 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So theta is not given. We need to find out the value of theta. We know the clock is in circle in shape. If it is circle in shape, the degree is 360 upon, we have got 60 minutes in a clock upon 60, and the area swept from here to here, the area is 5 minutes. It has swept 5 minutes here. We need to find out the area, students. Okay, now 0 0 cancels, 6 1s are 6 6 are 6 5s are 30 degrees. We need to find out the length, we need to find out the area swept by the minute hand. So this will form a sector. Okay, now what is the area of sector? Area of sector equals to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 degrees. 30 upon 360 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 14 into 14. 0 0 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 2s are, right? Then again 2 6 are 2 1s are 2 1s are, I can say. Okay, then 7 1s are 7 2s are, right? 2 1s are 2 3s are, right? Now here, when we multiply these two, 11 into 14, numerator only 11 into 14 is left. 11 into 14 upon 3. Okay, this equals to 154 upon 3 centimeter square is the area of the sector, students. The chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle at, see students, this is a circle. Okay, it is subtending an angle at the center. We say it is 120 degrees. Okay, at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Now you see, we need to find out this segment. This part we need to find out, the shaded portion. This is a segment. Okay, so what do you mean by segment? This is a circle. Okay, segment is chord and the arc. chord and the arc. Okay, this is called as a segment. Now I need to find out the segment. Okay, the area of this segment. Here we have got triangle, sector minus triangle. If you do, I am going to get the segment. Sector, say this is a circle, this is a sector, minus triangle. If I cut off this, I am going to get the segment part. Okay, here we have got sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height, but we don't know what is the base. Base is not given and height is also not given. We need to find, students, but the radius is given clearly. It is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. Let me draw triangle separately here. Okay, here this is a triangle 120 degrees. I'll take separate. Okay, this is 120 degrees, students. Now the half of this will be 60. This is 60 degrees and this is 60 degrees. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. Area equals to half into base into height, but we don't know what is the base. We need to find out base here. We need to find out the height. For that, we are going to apply trigonometry here. Okay, let me name this as C, students. Okay, let me take this triangle. Here the radius is 12 centimeter. Okay, now in triangle AOC, in triangle AOC, I want this opposite side. Okay, adjacent as well. That means this is a triangle. Here we have got 12 centimeter. This is 60 degrees. This is opposite side. Okay, this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. Okay, students, this part of it I have taken here. This is OAC. Okay, now we need to find out the opposite. This is opposite side. Opposite is there, hypotenuse is given. Opposite hypotenuse is the sine. Okay, sine 60 degrees equals to, opposite is AC upon OA. AC upon OA. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 equals to, AC is not given, then OC is 12. Okay, let me do cross multiplication. AC equals to, let me shift here, 12 root 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. So AC equals to 6 root 3. Okay, students, I got this. Now, as I got the base, so if this is 6 root 3, this also will become 6 root 3. Okay, so complete AB equals to 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 will be 12 root 3. I got the base. Now we need to find out the height. So height, that is adjacent hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse is cos. Let us take the same triangle. In triangle AOC, okay, cos 60 degrees equals to, cos 60, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, OC by OA, OC upon OA. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2 equals to, OC is not given, OA is 12. Let me send the 12 that side. So 12 upon 2 equals to OC. Therefore, OC equals to 2 ones are 2 6 are. I get 6 here, that is 6 centimeter is the height of the triangle. I got the base, I got the height of the triangle, that is 6 centimeters, students. Okay, now segment. Area of segment equals to area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. Now area of sector formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle is half into base into height, students. This is equals to, now complete sector is 120, theta is 120 upon 360 into pi is, we need to take pi as 3.14, radius is 12 into 12, I'll write 2 times, minus half into base, that is AB is 12 root 3 into height OC is 6. Okay, students. Now here 0 cancels, 12 ones are 12 threes are 36, 3 ones are 3 fours are. Here also 2 ones are 2 threes are 6, right? Now we need to multiply all these numbers. Okay, I'm going to get here 150.72 minus. Now when I multiply this, 12 threes are 36 root 3, okay, equals to 150.72 minus 36 into 1.73. The value of root 3 is given as 1.73 equals to 150.72 minus, when you multiply these two, I am going to get 62.28. Then subtract, I am going to get here 88.44 centimeters square. So this is the area of the segment. Hope this is clear. Find the ratio in which the line segment, this is a line segment, okay, join the points, these are the points, minus 310 and 6 minus 8, okay, is divided by, this line is divided by minus 1 comma 6, okay. We need to find out the ratio, that is M1 M2 we need to find, okay. So in what ratio this line segment is divided by this point, that is what the meaning is, okay. Now the points are given, minus 310, 6 minus 8 are the line segments. Let me write, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, is divided by, this will be x comma y. Minus 1 comma 6 is nothing but xy. Now we know the section formula, x comma y equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2 equals to, ratio we need to find, okay. So m1, what is xy? Xy is minus 1 comma 6, x2 is 6 plus m2 into x1 value is minus 3 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 value is given as minus 8 plus m2 into y1 value is 10 upon m1 plus m2. This one is 6m1 plus into minus is minus 3m2 upon m1 plus m2, comma minus 8m1, okay, plus 10m2 upon m1 plus m2. This is minus 1 comma 6. We'll take the coordinates, xx coordinates we can take or yy coordinates we can take. Let me select xx coordinates here. So let me write here 6m1 minus 3m2 upon m1 plus m2 equals to minus 1. Let us do cross multiplication. 6m1 minus 3m2 equals to minus 1 into m1 plus m2. Okay. 6m1 minus 3m2, you write as it is, equals to, let me open the bracket, minus m1, minus into plus is minus m2. Okay. Let me rearrange the terms. All m1 to one side, m2 to the other side. Like terms we will arrange here. 6m1, m1 is here. When it comes to the left hand side, the sign changes, becomes plus m1 equals to. So this part is gone, this is left over, which is minus m2. Bring this to the other side, becomes plus 3m2. 6 plus 1 is 7m1 equals to, minus into plus is minus, let us subtract. I am going to get 2m2. So m1 upon, drag this m2 down, equals to, after equals to we have got to get this 7 down. That means the value of m1 is 2, m2 equals to 7. Let me write here m1 is to m2 equals to 2 is to 7 is the ratio of this line segment. Let us solve next question. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Let us prove. Okay. So let me write root 3 equals to p upon q. Let us do cross multiplication. Root 3q equals to p. Okay. Square both the sides. Square both sides. So this will be root 3q whole square equals to p square. That means square is applicable for root 3 as well as for q also. So root 3 square, if I am going to do, square and the root gets cancelled, I am going to get 3. Q square equals to p square. Okay. Take this 3 down. Q square equals to p square upon 3. I can say 3 divides p square. Let me write here 3 divides p square, 3 divides p. Okay. Now again let me substitute. Okay. P equals to, as we have got 3, I'll write 3k. If we have 5, let us write 5k. If we have 7, let us write 7k. Okay. Now let us substitute p equals to 3k in equation 1. So let me write this as equation 1, students. So equation 1 is 3q square equals to p square. You write this 3q square as it is. P value is 3k. 3k whole square. 3q square equals to 3 is multiplied 2 times. 3 3s are 9. K square. Bring this 9 to the left hand side. Here by 9. Let us drag this 9 here. Equals to k square. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So q square upon 3 equals to k square. Now I can say 3 divides q square, 3 divides q. Okay. Here, now when 3 divides q square, 3 divides even q also. Here also 3 divides p square and 3 divides p. That means 3 divides both p and q, students. Both p as well as q. Therefore, we say that root 3 is an irrational number. Hope this is clear. Find LCM if we need to find out LCM if the HCF of these two numbers is 9. So we know the formula, that is HCF into LCM equals to A into B. Okay, you can write small a into B also. HCF, we know it is 9. 9 into LCM equals to, the numbers are 306 into 657. Therefore, LCM equals to, let us drag this 9 down, 306 into 657 upon 9. Let us cancel. 9 ones are, 9 threes are 27. So 3 is a remainder. 9 fours are 36. When you multiply 34 into 657, I'm going to get 22,338. This is the LCM of 306 and 657. Hope this is clear. This is a figure given. In this, DE is parallel to AC. Now you can see DE, this is a line which is parallel to AC. Now this is forming a triangle. Can you say this? This is forming a triangle. I can say in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. Okay. When DE is parallel to AC, let us apply Thales theorem. We can say here BD by AD, BD by AD equals to, BD by AD equals to BE by EC. Let me write this as equation 1. Now one more is DF. So DF is parallel to AE. Now this is forming a triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, in triangle ABE, here ABE, in this DF is parallel to AE. Again we are going to apply Thales theorem, that is BD by AD equals to, see, BD by AD equals to BF by FE, BF by FE. This is equation 2. Now from 192, see, both the LHS are same, RHS are also equal to each other. Therefore, BE by EC equals to BF by FE. You can check. Hope this is clear to you all. Prove that the length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So this is a circle. Okay. This is the external point. The tangents drawn from the external point are equal. We have to prove. Okay. So this is O is the center of a circle. This is P, A, B. Let me write here data. Here O is the center of a circle. O is the center of the circle. PA and PB, PA and PB are two tangents drawn from an external point P. Okay, this external point P. Now to prove, what we have to prove, that the two tangents are equal. So we say PA equals to PB, PA equals to PB. Now construction. Let us join OA, OB and OP. Join OA, OB and OP. Proof. Now you can see we have got two triangles here, that is in triangle AOP and BOP. AOP and triangle BOP. You can see we have got two triangles, right? These are two triangles formed after construction. Now here we say that OA equals to OB, OA equals to OB. They are the radii of the circle. Fine. OP is common. OP equals to OP common. Fine. Then again I can say when the radius is touching this tangent, it touches at 90 degrees. So we say angle A equals to angle B, which is equals to 90 degrees. Now three comparisons is over. Now therefore we say that triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. Okay. So total these two are congruent to each other. Therefore we say that PA equals to PB. PA equals to PB. Hope this is clear to you all students. Now we have to see, you can see here sin A plus cosecant A whole square and cos A plus secant A whole square. Here we have to apply the identity, students. Identity, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. This also in the form of A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square, students? A plus B whole square equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is the identity we are going to apply here. So let us take LHS. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Let us take LHS. Okay. Now here we'll apply the identity A square. So let us take this as A and this as B. A square plus 2AB AB plus B square. This is B. Okay. B square. So the first part is over. Now here second part. Cos A plus secant A whole square. Again we are going to apply the identity. This is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. Okay. A square plus 2AB AB plus B square. Okay. Now we know the identity, that is cos square plus sine square. Sine square or cos square both mean the same. Sine square plus cos square equals to 1. Okay. This is 1 plus. Now here 2 into sine A. Cosecant A is nothing but 1 upon sine A. That means it is reciprocal of sine. This is cosecant square A. Okay. Plus this one is 2 cos A. Now here you can see secant A is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. Okay. Plus secant square A. Sine cancels. I get here 1 plus 2 ones are 2 plus cos cancels, 2 ones are 2 plus secant square A. Okay. Now we'll apply the identity for both cosecant square and secant square. Let us go with the alphabetical order, that is ST. ST, that is secant square minus tan square equals to 1. This is the best way to remember ST, that is secant square minus tan square. Again ST, cosecant square A minus cot square A equals to 1. You can see when I want cosecant square, I am going to take this side, that is 1 plus cot square. So here it is 2 plus 1 3 4 5 plus cosecant square. When I want this term, I am going to shift the cot square to the right hand side. I am going to get here 1 plus cot square plus this 2 I have already added here. Now secant, when I want this term, I'm going to shift tan square to the right hand side. I'm going to get 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square. Now let us add 5, 6, 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, which is your RHS. Here secant into 1 minus sine A. Secant A plus tan A equals to 1. Let us take LHS. LHS is secant A into 1 minus sine A into secant A plus tan A. Okay. Now what is secant? Secant is reciprocal of cos. 1 upon cos A. Let me write this as it is, 1 minus sine A. Fine. Now secant is again 1 upon cos A plus tan came written as sine by cos. Sine by cos. Okay, students. Here you can see numerator we have got 1 minus sine A upon cos A. Okay. Now here you can see both the denominators are same. Let me write the numerators as it is, 1 plus sine A. Fine. Now it is a product here. We know A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square. See, A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square. So let us assume A as 1 and B as sine A. Okay. A square, that is 1 square minus sine square A upon, let us multiply, cos into cos is cos square A. Fine, students. Now here 1 into 1 is 1 itself, equals to 1 minus sine square will be cos square. This is the identity. What is it? Sine square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Okay, so if I shift this to the other side, I am going to get cos square. You can see here cos square A equals to 1 minus sine square A. Fine. Now upon cos square A. Cos square A gets cancelled. We are going to 1, that is the RHS. Hope this is clear. Here we have got next question. Find the mean for the following data. This is a table. Actually we have got only class interval and the frequency we have got. So I have drawn a frequency distribution table. Here extra columns were xi and fixi. You can go with the direct method or assume mean method or step deviation method. I feel direct is easy. We'll go with the direct method. Okay. Here you can see xi is nothing but the middlemost term of this class interval. The middlemost term is 10, or else you can do 0 plus 20 is 20. Now the middlemost term in tens, if I say this is 20, 30 is a middlemost term, 40, 50 is a middlemost term, 60, 70 is a middlemost term, 80, 90 is a middlemost term. Okay. Now here let us multiply, that is fixi. Fixi is nothing but the product. Let us multiply these both. I am going to get 120. Now when I am going to multiply this, I am going to get 420. Okay, 8 5s are 40 and 1 0, that is 400. 6 7s are 42 and 1 0 here. 9 10s are 90 and 1 0. Now you can see, let us add all this. I'm going to get here sigma fixi 0. This is 6 and this is 22. Okay, and this one will be sigma fi will be 50. Okay, now the formula for this is mean x bar equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi This is a formula for the direct method. So 2260 upon 50. 0 0 cancel. Now 5 ones are 5 fours are 20, 2 remainder. 5 fives are 25, 1 remainder. 5 twos are 10. So total I'm going to get 45.2 is the mean. Let me explain again. 2260 upon 50. Okay, 1010 let us cancel. 5 ones are 5 fours are 20, 2 remainder. 5 fives are 25, 1 remainder. If I'm going to keep decimal there on 0, I'm going to get 5 twos are 10. That is, here there's a group data. We need to find out the median for this data. So now let us write the first term as it is. Now 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, 13 plus 20, if I'm going to add, I'm going to get 33. 33 plus 15 is 48. 48 plus 7 is 55. 55 plus 5 is 60. Okay, 60. Now here the number of these terms, that is frequency, is 60. If you add this also, I'm going to get 60. 5 plus 8 13. 13 plus 20 is 33. 33 plus 15 is 48 again. So add all this, you're going to get 60. So n by 2 equals to 60 by 2. 2 ones are 2 30s are. This equals to 30. So this is 30. Okay, we have to get the median class, then only I'm going to get the lower limit, cumulative frequency and frequency here. 30. Where does 30 lies? It lies between these two terms, you can say. Now we need to take the highest number. As we have got here, n by 2 is 30, so we'll take 33. So this will be the median class. This is a median class, right? L is 20. This is frequency, and this will be the cumulative frequency. Let me write here. L equals to 20. Then F equals to again 20. Cumulative frequency is 13, right? Now the size of the class interval, when you subtract these two, I'm going to get here 10. Fine. Now let us apply the formula. Median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H, where L is a lower limit. The lower limit of this class interval is 20. 20 plus n upon 2. n by 2 is 30. Let me write here 30 minus cumulative frequency is 13 here upon frequency is 20. Okay, into size of the class interval is 10 equals to 20 plus, when we subtract these two, I'm going to get 17. Now 0 0 you can directly cancel. 17 upon 2 you're going to get, students, equals to 20 plus 2 ones are 2 8s are 16.5. That is 8.5 I'm going to get after dividing this. 20 plus 8 is 28 upon 5 is the median of this group data. Hope this is clear, students.